And finally, the last shader of this category is wood. To create a wood shader, it's very simple. We have a different types of trees, and you can change them if you want. And then with a different color, you can change the color gradient here. Double click here, change any color that you want. From here, open in a new window. From here, you can change overall scale of this noise. Stretched, more stretched if you want. You can see the simple noise here. Ring scale. If you turn the legacy mode, it turns something like this, and these are the rings. As you know, the one ring is 1 year old of the tree. You can change it, turn off the legacy mode. And here is a ring scale. You can change the ring scale. Grainy mode, more grainy scale. Wavy, the wave of these trees. You can see better here if you want. Also here, and the scale of this wave. Shift to moving the texture in a direction that you want. And here we have an annual rings. If you want, in this mode, like a legacy mode, you can create a ring like this, wave of that. The wavy ring scale in X, Y, and Z. You can change them to see what happened in the texture, in 2D, and also in the 3D. That's very simple. Play with these settings to see what happened in your texture. Okay, this is the last one of the shader of the surface. And you learn all of these settings, and these settings are for later. I will explain them when I reach to the hair and the substance shader.